Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll be using an AI video generator to create videos like this. We'll test this video generator step by step by increasing the difficulty level of the prompt each time. We'll stop only when the generator fails to meet our expectations. So let's get started. Let's start with difficulty level easy, something simple. Let's type realistic mother and her son looking in the camera. Nothing crazy about it, just some emotion, connection. Let's see how this video generator handles this easy prompt. Let's start with difficulty level easy, something simple. We're getting our video ready. Okay, that actually looks decent. The mother and son both have that soft, emotional expression, and they're making eye contact like it's a real photo shoot. The lighting is pretty natural too, almost feels like a family ad. Let's give this 8 out of 10. You can download it easily, but if you want to download without a watermark, then you'll need to take their subscription. But as promised, I'll show you how to remove the watermark from a video for free. Come to this website. I'll pin the link in the comment section. Simply upload your video there and cover the watermark with a cursor. This website helps to remove any watermark with ease, and also it is free to use. After you selected the watermark, you can export the video. Watermark will be removed. This is result after removing watermark. Now this time, a little hard prompt. Let's try a realistic woman working late in a modern office and city lights are glowing outside the window and a slow zoom-in effect. This has more layers, lighting, depth, and a cinematic motion. We leveled up the difficulty. Let's see how it handles this now. Whoa, okay, this is nice. The office setup feels real. The woman looks focused, and you can actually see the glowing city lights through the window. That adds a really cool depth. And a slow zoom-in effect that gives it a super cinematic touch. I like this, and I'm giving this clip 9 out of 10. Alright, moving on to something harder now. I took help of GPT for something with more visual elements, and it came up with this. This time I went for a lone traveler walking through a futuristic city that's been abandoned and taken over by nature, with cinematic vibes, sunset reflections, and even some ambient sound. Okay, it's got the structure, the buildings, the overgrowth, even that wide-angle cinematic framing. But something feels off. The realism isn't quite hitting. The traveler looks kind of detached from the environment, and the whole scene feels more like a concept art than a real video. The idea is great, and it's halfway there, but I think the lighting and motion could have sold it better. Still, it's creative, so I'll pass it, but I'm giving it a 6 out of 10. Now for something even more complex, I asked ChatGPT to give me something extraordinary, and it came up with this. A young woman is walking down a dark hallway and passes by an old mirror. But here's the twist. Her reflection starts moving in a different direction, almost like it's alive. I also added some cinematic effects like motion blur and lighting reflections, and used the tracking and pan features from the website. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, so this one is ambitious. The atmosphere is great. That dim lighting with reflections bouncing around does set the mood. The mirror part? It kind of works, though it's a little tricky to read at first. The rotation and camera effect definitely added some cinematic feel. But yeah, it's not perfect. The blend between the real and mirror world could have been smoother, and the realism slightly drops in some parts. Still, you can tell it tried to be artistic. It's bold, a little rough, but it passes. I'm giving this one a 7 out of 10. Alright, this time I really wanted to break the AI, so I went all in. Here's the prompt I gave. The camera zooms into a single droplet of water falling from a leaf, and inside the droplet exists an entire universe. This is some next-level sci-fi dream sequence stuff. Let's see what it came up with. Okay, this one's wild. It kind of gives you that floating zero-gravity vibe, but not gonna lie, it's not fully there yet. The universe inside the droplet didn't feel super detailed, and the motion was cool, but a bit messy in parts. Still, the concept is crazy and it tried. So for effort and creativity, I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. So this time, I asked for unreal prompts, like something that just breaks logic. And this is what I got. A giant ocean floats in the sky above a desert, like a reverse underwater world full of stars and neon coral reefs. Definitely one of the most imaginative ones so far, and it actually pulled it off well. I'm giving this a solid 9 out of 10. All right, time to go all out. I asked for something completely unthinkable, and this is what I got. A serpent the size of a galaxy coils through space, and each of its scales is a living planet. It's a cool idea, but I think it was just too much for the generator to handle. No galactic loop, no smooth camera spin, just kind of messy and confusing. Yeah, so we finally hit our flop. I wanted to end the video with something sweet. This is the last prompt of the video. This time, I won't rate it. You all will. Tell me in the comments, how much would you give this one? All important links are mentioned in the description. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.